ready to race. And the race is on. Speedmaker, fast to begin, moving up by the relish Lady King, Unpredictable. Friends for Never, Racing Import by the alongside Muralia, Don Vicente, and Pot's Love running at the tail of the field. Speedmaker by about 4 lengths, followed by Lady King in second. Unpredictable racing in third by about 2 lengths alongside Muralia. Friends for Never, Don Vicente. And rounding the far turn, Speedmaker by about 5 lengths, followed by Lady King in second. Unpredictable. Muralia Racing Import by the fifth. Friends for Never, Don Vicente. As they race towards the final turn, is Speedmaker by about 3 lengths, followed by Lady King. Friends for Never racing in third, alongside is Muralia. Entering the last 150 meters more to run, is Speedmaker, followed now by Friends for Never by the rail. Speedmaker, Friends for Never by the rail. It's now Friends for Never, Speedmaker, Muralia, Lady King. And finally, Friends for Never, Muralia, Speedmaker, Lady King, Unpredictable, Pot's Love, and number 1, Don Vicente.
Okay.